पर सहमति बनाई है.
Dagaba Kyntait ia ki khubor sepang ka jing Khlieh Biang ki Kynhun Lehnoh hari lom Garo udkhot ka Kynhun menteri ubadeiru unong Aikhtien jong Sorkar MDA u Marcus and Marak agasngi palei ulo ong bagi samla menta ki dei ki bala kham nang kham start bat ki bala kham shempang hakaba donru bun ki program Sorkar ki per ki bala thawla thawlenti ki ba kham bha nakabenta jongki ka Kynhun Lehnoh Garo National Liberation Army lane GNLA kabla long menshua ka jingma ka bakrau na kabenta ka shongsuk shongsngan hapo ka Jylla Meghalaya kala sha pendu pendamno hadin ka jingyap jong unong elam jongka usohan di shira hausnam aja kharpra ka jingyap jong u kala pelong ia ka jing pendam white jong bun ngut ki dekhot GNLA kabla wanra ru ya ka suk kasany hari lum Garo dagaba itu ba ka shnong William Nagar kala long menshua ka themei kabatem jong ki kam Lehnoh umarak ubadei unong alam kaseng NPP ula banjur lo ki mat trekam balale da ka Sorkar MDA ban kham pen khlain ya ka suk kasan bat banwan ra ru ya ka roi ka par ha ka ne ka than
that there are regrouping of the journalists. There's no such regrouping in practical. Nowadays, roads are accessible to every villages. When there was GNLA NBCs long time back, 7 years back, no road communications were there. To cross the Simsang River, it is very difficult. You have to cross by boat only. So they get the advantage. But now you go to other side of the Simsang River. Lots of bridges are there. So many roads are there. And then remotest part of the village is also connected with roads. So therefore, no chance of coming, regrouping, nothing.
Unong elam berem jong